back, everyone. It's your girl Laura B here with another property tour. Today we are in a new construction site. This home boasts 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and you are going to want to stay for the entire video, guys. There is no carpet whatsoever, there's no HOA, and we're just less than 15 minutes away from the Orlando International Airport. So if you travel a lot, this might be a good property for you, and it's priced pretty affordably to be in the center of Orlando. If you haven't done so already, make sure to follow and like to continue to see property tours here in Orlando and in the Central Florida area. Alright, as soon as you come in, as you can see, you have a beautiful walkway that leads you all the way to the open concept living room and kitchen. Throughout the home, you have tile floors, including all of the bedrooms. Coat closet here in the front. To your left, you have 2 smaller bedrooms with great sized windows. I love the details on all of the doors to the bedrooms. This is the bathroom that will be shared by the 3 smaller bedrooms and your guests. And here you have the 2-car garage. The water heater is going to be back here. Access to the attic, as well as the electrical bay. Alrighty, this is the 3rd bedroom. All of the blue tape you see around the house are just to signify areas that still need touch-up. Some additional storage right off the kitchen. And before I show you the rest of the house, let's stop here really quick to show you the AC and where your washer and dryer will go. All right, back to the interesting part. So here you do have an open concept space, vaulted ceilings, and a great amount of light. You have granite countertops here in the kitchen as well as the bathrooms. Here's the view from when you'll be washing the dishes. Good sized pantry. And all of the stainless steel appliances that you see will be included. Sliding doors to the backyard. And now let's check out the master bedroom. You have sliding doors for your master bathroom, a linen closet, you have a double vanity, and a walk-in closet. Here you have a window on top of your toilet, but of course you would want to cover that up for more privacy. But this bathroom definitely has lovely details, shades of blues and grays, as well as the bottom. These are the views from your backyard. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this tour of this new home here in Orlando, Florida. The price for this home is currently going for $408,000. There's no HOA, and remember, it's just minutes away from the Orlando International Airport. Now, if you want to make this property yours today and you are a first-time home buyer, you're going to need just under $15,000 in order to cover your down payment. If you want more information about this beautiful property, feel free to reach out. My number and email are listed above. I'd be happy to help you get into this home or find other properties that meet your criteria here in the Central Florida area. Make sure to follow for the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.